In this video, I am going to explain game playing algorithms. So game playing is a multi-agent environment. There are more than one players are involving in this problem space. So therefore, if you are taking any decision, we need to see the opponent, and based on the opponent decision, we have to perform our move. So there are two algorithms which is available in game playing. One is min-max algorithm and another one is alpha-beta pruning. So let us see the min-max algorithm. So for that we are considering a state space tree and the utility values available in the leaf nodes. So initially we have to give the max player or specify the max player as well as min player. So here at the first level we are specifying a max player, and in the second level min player. So we can start with the lower level. So here min player, the objective of min player is to select a minimum value, and the max player's objective is to take the maximum value. So when we consider this node, there are three child nodes, 3, 12 as well as 8. Here 3 is the minimum value, so that is selected. And when you consider this the second node, there are 3 childs, 2, 4, 6. The smallest value is 2, so therefore the 2 is selected. And when you consider the last level, so last child, intermediate node, here 14, 5 and 2 are the child nodes. And here 2 is the minimum value that is selected. So this is the choice of min player. And next the max player has to made a choice. So max player has to select the maximum value. So here this level there are 3 sub childs, 3, 2 as well as 2. Therefore 3 is the minimum value, maximum value. So that is selected by the max player, and he will use this path for traversal to obtain an optimal solution. So when you consider this min-max algorithm, it takes b power d searching time, that is 12 branches, and depth is 3, therefore the searching time is equivalent to 12 power 3. So in order to optimize the min-max algorithm, we need to minimize this searching time. So that will be performed by alpha-beta pruning. So pruning means cutting the branches which is not essential or not needed, which will not produce an output. So that type of branches are identified and that should be removed. That is called pruning. And here we have considered two variables, alpha and beta. Alpha is for max player and beta is for min player. And the pruning condition, when we need to perform pruning or when we need to cut the branch. So this is the condition: when alpha is greater than or equal to beta, we have to prune that particular branch. Okay, so this is a pruning condition. And when next we need to consider the value for alpha and beta. What are the initial values we need to assign? Here alpha is assigned with the least value minus infinity, because the objective of alpha is to maximize the value. That is, it has to increase its value. So we have to assign the least value. And for beta, we need to assign the maximum value, infinity. So therefore, the objective of beta is to reduce its value. Okay. So for initializing, alpha is equal to minus infinity and beta is equal to infinity. So let us consider this tree. Again, the same tree is considered here also. Alpha is equal to minus infinity and beta is equal to infinity. And we will start the traversal towards the left child. So the same value is reflected here. Alpha is equal to minus infinity, beta is equal to infinity. Okay, so here when we consider this, the choice of minimum player, so during that time, the value of beta gets changed, but alpha is not changed. Okay, so therefore in beta, the child node, there are 3 childs here. So first it will check the first child value, so it is 3. So the value of 3 is less than alpha because the value of 3 lies here. So therefore it is less than alpha. We need to change that one. Okay. Next we can check this one 12. 12 is greater, so the value will not be changed. And here again if you compare 8, it won't be reflected. So here the least value is 3, that will be assigned to beta. So next we have to traverse this value to the root node. So in the root, the max player has to make the choice. Therefore, alpha's value will be replaced. So here alpha is equal to minus infinity, that will be replaced by 3 because here the value is 3. That is considering minus infinity and 3 is greater, therefore you are replacing this value by 3. Okay, and this value is traversed here, therefore alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to infinity. So let us consider the first choice here. Min value has to take the minimum value and it will be replaced here, isn't it? So therefore when we take the first child, it is 2. So the 2 is less than alpha, therefore alpha is replaced by 2. Okay, so next you can see here the condition alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 2. So the pruning condition met. That means alpha is greater than beta. If this condition happens, we have to prune the next branches. Okay, so therefore we may get alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 2. And again here alpha has to make the decision. So here already alpha is equal to 3. Here this node will give, the value of this node is 3 and here the value of this node is again 2, isn't it? So therefore it takes the maximum value. So here 3 is the maximum value that will be retained. And then this value is passed here, alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to infinity. Okay, because the value of beta will not be changed here. And again when we see here, what is the value of first child? 14. So the 14 is less than infinity, so therefore it is replaced by 14. Next we see the next child, it is 5. So it is less than 14, therefore we have to replace 14 by 5. And when we consider the third node, it is 2, therefore this 2 is again less than 5, therefore it is replaced by 2. Okay, so therefore we will get beta is equal to 2. Okay, so there is no more value, and you can see here the beta is equal to 2, here beta is equal to 2, here beta is equal to 3. And when we move on to this one, alpha is already having 3, so it doesn't take this 2, so it chooses 3. Okay, so here it will choose this path. And when you consider the branching factor, here number of branches searched is b is equal to 10. Okay, because these two branches are pruned, so therefore b power d, that is 10 power 3 nodes are searched. So the searching time is less than this min-max algorithm. So that's all. We can see the next problem for this alpha beta in another one video. Thank you.